K1ngHana, any other TikTokers, about clash with His Excellency the President, John Mahama, efa ekwanya. As omo person omo de Ghana hemfo no, efa so asebe, ye wura Otumfuo opem so opia na nkwa so. Oka ho bie no. K1ngHana chirem se ade ahon apese oye no. Onye steady na enye adwuma. Mema nchiremu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Meso so any dey mo. Obe like video no other man subscribe button and come back like notification icon for latest updates na bachelor wadwen dey ama me e wo comment section so ba so a no she first anya bia hwe enti baka ya to ba wie ya no aba be memu ana sesere the president John Mahama opaw enipakuo bi se omu nko tenase na omu nko do Ghana ye mura bad time na edibo man nko Ghana no ho no omu nko do musuko enko mpensempense mu nhwemu enhwe se emra bi ye benya atwere ye bia na sensan bi omra ni mu a ehun be hia nsa kyerɛ ya o mbɛka ho asɛm ama yentie I say na ekuo from constitution review committee ema busuan no ko mu de wo se eyo o mu ko tena ase e ko hwɛ embere ni mu ema o mu ko mo no to them no they noticed some instances that need rectification or that need changes amendment I say ombrobro no we say last week report e buy I say call report mu no mu kyerem say tenure in office na eda 4 years in Israel yemfa nko 5 years as a president bi aba obetena so for 5 years no go tire mu say eni say ye makwan na parliamentarians for no ye say true mu as government machine we form part of government machine ministers there be eni so or form part of the ministers there be I was saying parliamentarians na say ministers separate people Serebeya obi abetimi afocus aye na dwagos ebia na constituency kwana ofiri mu baaye no omu hia no so meya adwuma no ono so serve with different ministries say omu brobro na we be so na sebe a toss mu pay na no unko page 53 a eho no ana onko kan asem bi aje say ensem no eno ana kwa twen ensem aba at the page 53 no na it was talking about land kana how ba ahemfo no ana ensase no ehwe mu nsande from kro ano asase wura na asase wura that is to mu na ahemfo no de wo ekro ni amayaman mu no amantam mu no omu ena nsase hye omu nsa omu na hwe eton nsase ene bibia lands commission on ton asase but ahemfo no ele twa nsase no eton ene ade that is titinyina no sa na etie even say president kura epeso bibia okosere ahemfo no na obama na sase na odi ababaye na constitution committee got trans no mu chese da bi sad na ye no eye pa but e wo se afibia no ahemfo no be ye nkonta e won sase a o mu aton ho e ma lands commission na eno ana mo fakasa se esimu se na we ebebu eno mu chese ade we ni de ade na sebe constitution committee akwatena ko plan ne de enyo emfiri wo ma na eye his excellency and the person for kuntuna se ni kwatikwan bia so eti ahemfo no tumi so make them powerless so that he can control them any ade na enye constitution committee bia ye Mahama ankasa tirimpo a person oye eno ana K1ngHana any other TikTokers abefaya Mahama oban fan spare no
import ya Otumfuo aye John Mahama. In fact, I don't know. Minimbonia nananom aye John Mahama. But what I can tell, this official document through the CLC, the Constitutional Review Committee, what I can tell is that the details within it a big disrespect to our traditional leaders. And you see, what makes this particular report and Ghana for very big, and is it cuts across all the 16 regions of Ghana to the extent that even Tindana lands, the northern sector, the 5 northern regions, the Tindana lands. If the pronunciation is wrong, for respect's sake, the amount this particular report is shocked and he said, even the Tindan and our Tindana lands, John Mahama, through the CLC, HS or J. Now, when we say your report, people will see Tindana lands, Mamin cutting down lands and who ask them kakrancho. Na ehun say we nya asantefo nko na omo ho aka. The Tindana lands are lands are ukopie mu osire the northern region. Omo believe say spiritual lands. Womo nananom edija womo a these particular lands no said the akama ye beka say asase ya. Obo ade no a oborbo ade no asase. Enti yenuanu omo soro ho no. Omo respected these lands they say san asase we yemfe ensan ka because nananom asase enye onipa da sani dia. So basically they believe say the spirits, the motherland, the nature himself and assassin any dia. Enti any dia yenuanum semufo ma san asase we enti no. Omo mfama oda sani bia so na any dia na mum said the oba kan member kan say akonfo no. Omo so akonfo priest e wo ho a omo na those in down lands no omo hweso because they believe that those lands are holy lands or dasani enya. You see, but if the president John Mahama is able to let us know through the CRC, say this particular document, I call it leaked document. The reason why I call it leaked document, though the document is out there, and he said, Ukobo Emma AI, even ChatGPT, say this CLC report from Modiabano, is it taking away the land from our nananoma traditional leaders? The ChatGPT will tell us that there be and sa BB say any report in him. Unless say Ubenya report in be akin kind. So I asked an IT expert, say any day na ChatGPT can throw. Idea one report in him all say any no share. Don't you know, say the government can control the feeds ChatGPT, the mark country be Ghana ChatGPT, the feeds report. The government control it. And so when you ask the ChatGPT, say, ChatGPT will tell you that no. Unless say Uber screenshot it, the section 52 of the CLC no to ChatGPT. That is when ChatGPT will come out to tell you the truth. Say no correct. Mahama person or Jina Nanomon Sasi. No, we are ChatGPT, they can't watch us say this is a major constitutional shift, not a minor administrative change. Meaning computer ne catch us say Adiana Mahama ben we a major constitutional shift. Where Adia any consequences here, but opposite is here. Attacking Nananum through the constitution. And when I got this report, in fact, the section 52 of that CLC that Abeda Abontero. Now, the NDC, they think this is politics, but this is not politics. Already, the lands in what are they doing with it? Already, these lands are the government, and what is the government doing with it? I'm saying, the evening, a crown, you better not bossy of say a capital. Those lands belong to the government, currently, and the government air cool for an assassin. At the end of my akra. If not the rich people, you can for musica, and you can for musica, and crya. Mu abino, and cranes, I see a magic one. What's yes, you poor ye? No, my babaji, I am an animal sassina. This is a pure disrespect. Now, you've been able to now your boy, I had a document, Now, one thing is a document, and one thing I'm a person among for sending. Omodi didn't cry for na Otumfuo Asantehene K1ngGhana hono Asantehene K1ngGhana hono bebre na kan enye adwuma Asantehene enye adwuma ene ye adwuma na omo K1ngGhana ho and the resources enye adwuma no de share constitution me ne nananum ni resources bia ene nananum resources ni nyina ya aban dia eno ne kan ho the moment you be enshrined in the constitution no woni ho to me so ka se enye adwuma Inti womu di enye adwuma no anama ene nananum tumi adane kiti. Why the catch say enye adwuma? The moment you dey say constitution nim aye adwuma. Na womu aboche kwa de we mbobo because when this happens, monsasi amato nyina no these lands no muto free nananu ho man to free aban ho. So purposely, automatically, remotely, mubese tue sika ho fra ma aban because insase ni sisi enye nananum bia abide there, all in the name of some management to be any idea be register was and so indirectly no say what you card who say betonum prenu where your bonia the government want to do to us, and people are saying say enye adwuma. And then another no sisi etu agudie won asase so, anas aban ne hwehwe ade ne mood won asase o say ene dia. Na nkaso nkobo ase ada ni Gold City. It's not like that. The moment the government says that this belongs to him, and he enshrined in the constitution, and kase enye adwuma. Say enye adwuma na Otumfuo otena asase so wa Asantehene so court. Or court corporate to me free court and sound with dibim. For no ade na asase so no, this wa court. It would the money na wana mukas enye adwuma. Te se abaje na nanu nyina atumi afra mu nsem no. E ho na mo bohunu nyansa say K1ngGhana bohu dawuro. Obohu me de bia ma bohu dawuro. Me bohu dawuro na se mutie na mo fa no serious a. Te se o man de bebutu no eye mo a. Me mo web. Nyinti nsem John Mahama e de ababeto abonte. Now, according to the document I found in the CLC report abeda abonte no. The John Mahama catch Ghana my and another munye nanano munye de boni bia nanso the wade mo munye over the CLC ni the Constitutional Review Committee in the report ni ma there is a section I friend and the Office of the School Lands Administrator. Now that portion with the page 52 the page 52 of this report. Now almost as you say one character anymore or say the committee recommends that, or recommended to the president, that Article 267, Section 2 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana, should be amended, to remove the office of the administrator of school lands as a separate constitutional office, and to vest responsibility for the collection, management and disbursement of school lands revenue in the Lands Commission. Hey, dear, or say the Article 267 of the Constitution of Ghana. A man ananum to me say, almost say, almost to me say, almost to say, almost dia, so I'm beton, so mon tongue. I am one ananuma dear Jawam, ananum assassin. Almost a yancy sanon. Na ebesika sembia won sase ne ho a ababe omino abino edia, meaning automatically when it comes to the control of these lands nananum to me say won control my lands no enyo mu de bia yes say the Article 267 no ni engine sase no ema abino na yemfa won be say the Lands Commission as meaning aban dwumadi kuo a friend the Lands Commission no nananum ba be sum the Lands Commission. They will not have direct control over their own lands anymore. Anything biano, they should go to the Lands Commission. Now go to way. To go for the 2 way. Sabram no can say, dear Koso Boko, Nanano Moku Sassi win. For Munkum because of a man of phone and their politics no more. Assassin Gramunya, you know what the politics and many pay. Everywhere beyond to Kobesi Biano, a buying. And the dance as acquire politics. Nay, because as near Modia. And the middle cast yes, you or Wabe. Yabeko, abide the Owabin Sasia, no maybe. I'm Otumfuo Asantehene. You know, so the lands in the ground automatically currently any Modiano. What are you doing with the lands? You are already causing trouble. Am I Indian be kunkum with these lands already? And ho position taken politicians at me cause trouble. The National House of Chiefs are almost can wait, and the politicians as can wait. Where is he weighing the regional chief imam? Where is he weighing the regional chief imam? Politicians at Tinyaman to quest who am a twat, I'm a nipper be injured. So what do you want to do with this last? Now, the committee recommends that the office of the administrator of schools land, that is the OASL, should be should be made a division of the Lands Commission with an additional mandate to collect revenue from family lands. Family there, lands from clan, even clan lands in Mahama Sawaji, clan lands, Mahama Sawaji, quarter lands, and Swaji, and a Tindana lands. Tindana, Ukosema, Womanson Sassino, Wosiwaji. It is further recommended that this change should come with a change in its name. Ahana scam no one. And almost says to Mahama. So Mahama with him. Bonya ye pesi di nyina echi no. Ye mpese na nanoma dwen beba so. Say ye di ya wo mo. Inti no ye nti sa omudi no OASL no. We should maintain it there, but change the name. Me ain't changing in any day. So that an animal will feel like, oh, the land belongs to them, but automatically it's not for them. With a scam name, a coded name. What is the coded name the government wants to use to see the anonymous land? Or say, to change to rent management, that is division. They are recommended. See, rent management division as a coded name. And to so man an animal feeling say, now on an assassin and the ano. Now assassin you have a rent management division under the lands commission. Meaning one no rent an assassin and as a share the government land so as a rented property. Internet Otumfuo way. Gaman way. Togwa for the two way. From eastern region, the western region, way. Not one more assassin after Omobaba Kashumami. Oh, John Mahama, Mr. President, the Nanano assassin Omobaba Kashumami. Hey, Bonnie Benny, what can it was what? Or say a new provision be inserted, before friendship, inserted to provide that the lands commission shall be responsible, not Nananom. The lands commission shall be responsible for the collection, accounting, all these positions for the lands commission, Mahama. You see, so the lands commission, will be responsible. Whatever lands you, the government will be responsible for the collection, the accounting, the management of these lands, and the disbursement of all rents, the dues, the royalties, the revenues, and all other payments derived from the stool, family, clan, quarter, K1ngHana lands. Oh, are they? John, Mr. President. Oh, are they? Money bay. Tina mi busa say, the money bay na biya yo. Nana biya shiwa bufuo. Because basically, if you want to take Nananum lands from them, then it means what person who turn Nananum so. Listen, because when you are Sasha or Hini Bay, so then it means you don't have any lands to boast of. Those lands are who claim say what they are to assassinate wine. Assassinate what would dress all your wine. Because the moment you have lands, you can say, I mean, you are king. The moment I only assassin or he be the one assassin. So automatically, what Mahama wants to do is say, Obeto Otuna Nanumun in Adiaso. Obijina, Osekina Juma, Enya Juma, and the people of Gaman Chenishin Kasiaba Kono, Abayajan and Sassi, Enya Juma, Mino Kase Owabe. Yes, down on home because those lands no belongs to the government. And Otumfuo team in your home here, what can I say? What they two are binding himself binding ye be found through the lands commission, Croya, the Ebedu Otumfuo Asantehene. And yeah, Juma, and look as K1ngHana because ye the constitution himself Asantehene in K1ngHana, Omuntimin trouble. If they want to get out of the country as a separate country, the process is supposed to go through the former and come out. So the moment this is enshrined in the constitution, K1ngHana say BBI kind of crash Ghana for. And you see the saddest thing is the traditional media is not reporting it. The traditional media 5 days in a document they are not reporting it. The traditional media now more trusting. They are not reporting it. To a bit because say, why is it that traditional media is not reporting? You trust the traditional media. You trust the traditional media. I want to can say me say I bet me finish. Say bet me doing the radio, the TV station. One number kind of control. The traditional media is not reporting it. Yet yes, kind of control. In this maybe now say Yana. In Naura Japa, whatever. All the great ahemfo Ghana no. Omuntimi form say si omobo say jasa asini bi ma den Mahama agi. Ngotu omu nyina ade so. Womu nyo hini bi o. Womu nyo hini bi. O say ma memba hanom. Ne tie ne pa. I say, me boss a new provision be inserted to provide that the lands commission shall be responsible for the collection, the accounting, management, disbursement of all rent, dues, royalties, revenues, and other payment derived from stool, family, clan, quarter Tendana lands in accordance with the constitution and any act of parliament. So here they are not going to based on only the constitution to make it more powerful. No? Any act of parliament be also by supported. And here now do asamoko. So you Otumfuo. If the parliament, every act be from any act be from the parliament is supporting it, and the constitution is supporting it, Otumfuo na asamoko. That is a safe in some. Because it's enshrined in the constitution, and constitution in the Ghana. So if it becomes in part of it, what you want to say? Well, you know when you say, that's what you are the answer. You see, and this none of them throw some back and once because obviously the punishment the president can give to them, the ignorance in terms of development. I have been called the it's in a maybe so Babeka was them. When the Bonia womu DNA, Namtia Meka was them. We be sim MPP ni. Nesumina woka say, Ukos ye Martin Dana Lansano. Yeah, Ginny in Akahom. Where you are them. You see, before I ever call the second part, a very dangerous part of this document. You became the last section of this page in Amau. Now you came out, Mammy Musa Wasam. Mammy Musa Wasam says here. K1ngGhana currently as I'm talking to you. And Sasia, yes, a buying diano. Ye sika fuesi development akowa. I timikas oh rare estate with Ghana. A buying dia wa ye nyina enken wurem. All the big projects of estate near the other binds were here, affordable houses. No, emu dien and a active basin there. Are they making portable use of our lands? And a galam say, MC, DC, assembly met, two nomination and normal say yes. Are they making good use of our lands? Are they really making good use of our lands? And I'm no Otumfuo Asantehene region or Wabishu are a share in terms of potable water, treated water. Are a share Eastern region, a share Ashanti region, a share some parts of Ahafo, and extending wise a Timiko Western region. Share Sansasui, Otumfuo and another ma buying Emma Kosibuni ne Bayen ma ye. Say Emma treated water, unim yesu. Miankwani aban wo betimi ahe nsase a wo bedi so amaya na yenti Otumfuo wa hatie die
kuo batan kese wo Ghana ha eye National House of Chiefs na saa kuo obepie mu ewo mantam bia ebi so ewo ho nti Asante mantema no eye Asante Regional House of Chiefs omako mu nhie mu a etwato kra ewo eye 2025 na chese afimu de etwato na no na Asante ni Otumfuo osetutu a otosumienu kasa na wo kire se eniema bi koso okopie mu o wabe ene barekese bebia Ghana Water Company Limited enye nsuo ankasa edema Asante mantema no o kire se amanfo etwa azasetam ne bi na omo ankasa ede ye ne omo pe na Asante ne busa se ye noa ne se na amen ehefo na ede tumi ahye omo nsem a omo ye saa ne ma no na potoka se me beka se encroachment no kwa na ekoso o kire se building permit a amanfo wo assemblies ahodo ede ma amanfo mo mutimi ekosi edan no eba ne sen na omo etimi ye saa tumi ben na obi wa asase a ebodam no ho ban no amanfo ankasa etimi ton nsase no Asante no Otumfuo osetutu otosumienu
de kan mo me we ye san se nsuo no aye nom no se ye makwa manipa no ko se ebedi be fie num afie ye nya nsuo broni ye ma ye ne aye yi ni nyina free ha kosi aye se mo bi anko ho ye di nu asisi ye ache ye preserve ma nsuo no be gina ho amaye na nde aye se ye ni ebie ye kosi dan ho ho ni akroso ye no kosi na wo ni bi na ton ho ni ben edi enti no ton za se no
it Otumfuo say ya hwe ya bedroom na bi enya nsuo nom hwe regions do a me bo kire we na wo wa bi nsuo yi na hwe ye nyina na obi akoton Otumfuo busa say oya ohene bai because ohene bi na koton ya woni to me one sase ne ya ba dia it obi e no busa say politician bai manyo ni bai na koton ye because say manyo ni mpu na ton ya last commission musa sase ne ya mu dia ye dia mamo e dia na mompo mu ye fa ho wo de tie
na ye dan so na ho aso na ma na permit town planning board so be na ma permit ma ekosisi na ya kohwe ni ehunu na be ya ka to se we ni sesia ya no mu na nan mo so o ma na ma kwa Ghana Water for ka ho town planning for ka land commission ka ene na nan ma ko ton ye ka Samra bi wo so tie na tie wo bia no so ya ba twentwa so ya be hu Otumfuo ne ade so no kura no sei na tie na se yentrim enka se we ye bone ne we ye no kura dia na ye be kata so saa na ye ti dan wo wa bio ye tu afa be dum fie num na fe ye nya nsuo num ti akrachi for no ane lands commission for ne for no mu nyina amra ne ye ba hanom si enka wo ya wo be gina bia ne ye kusa wo na be ya ka cho se ne mo san koye mo san ko bubu dan no ne mfi ho edu nkrofo ye be ma do ma ba nya pre town planning for aba ne ya pre water company ne electricity for nyina aba ya me ya no me hu kwankre e ba ye se se ma ye si dan ye den ni si dan photo report no sa ne ye hre no register ampacho ya pre dan ye pre mu nyina se report o mo kan omu de besre ne a eno mra ne ani omu nka no ha ne nkyem ne sa na wo say na say yentimi anye no kresa ne de dafa yenko bo hina ma yenko enko topo sa ebedi enfie duni enzanga ho asa edan so omu si ya jo de na de kan no me hwe ye sa say ensuo no aye nom no say ye makwa manipa no ko say ebedi be enfie num enfie ye nya nsuo de o si hwe ye kakra
no Otumfuo kan o se den we see a ye kakra. The lands commission. Why one more bam was one more reports. Accessibility of the lands, availability of the land. And then I'm here for because you're here Otumfuo ne cause you're here in 5 years' time. Asante region, Eastern region, some parts of Ahafo and Western, ye showed them. So the sad news and they say, Abahi and Sasi Yadema. What are you doing with it? Before we go back into the details of today's report that I have for you, Otumfuo I said, yeah, mama, dada no, crano, oh yeah, day, oh yeah, day, oh yeah, day, oh yeah, day. Wherever you're watching me from, before I bet once, do not forget, so share this video to somebody. Share to as many groups as you can. WhatsApp groups. Don't do our bit in your share. Share to as many. Yeah, it was. I feel proud and cry and your best and maybe I do not feel proud. And I don't know what Nananum have done to John Mahama. Say be about Kwakutia and Naso. And on in a problem because and as a power consuming. I asked and the code to me be said. I feel proud the presidency in Insumo. Yanjan Anonymous has in Kano. I don't know what is wrong with the prayer because listen. Akufo-Addo came, he attacked Nananum in Volta region, Asante region, and there was a video of Akufo-Addo called the Northern region, ordering Nananum to stand up and greet him. Hey, you're two Akufo-Addo, yes. Because you see, Ghana, young tradition, young fan to form. If Akufo-Addo, yeah, Mahama, yes, we thought that when it comes to you, the respect you have for Nananum, your maximum. There were a lot of traditional leaders and they supported Mahama coming back, so much to the extent that they trusted some Mahama woman and but who buy when I watch an anonymous kafia. When I watch the Akufo-Addo and crowd from would you in pop one for Akufo-Addo. When I watch us, would you only to Mama Nananum. When I watch us, who be gua in here. John Dramani. Sam. People fell in love with you because of how you respect traditional leaders. Ya metina meka kwase Jimmy enkyem penimfo. Ya metina mie yenum enka aboa otwe enkyem penimfo. Ya betina ha ne akanya nsa atire to me. Mr. President, ade a wo ye ntiye. Wadwene ho. The Constitutional Review Committee for no mpo na sabi wo mabɔ dam no mo besi w'anim mpo a. What have you said about that? What my report bi ababonten. Say oh Omode betu wani mu no se woni yenkwase asem to omunyi mfirim na wontumi attack nananom. Mr. President, what can who asem? One be who said that portion of the Constitutional Review Committee report, that page 52 no, one be who said would you only ho hwe to omunyi mfirim na yenkwase asem omode betu wani mu no, wo se nyanse ana wodi mu bi wo se akire. Wo bo pass wo akire na wo yen wo se wodi mu bi na amanfo na wo matwa abre wo. Mr. President, when they told Ghana say wo mo ba be increase the 4 to 5 years presidency tendency, nobody give a damn about it. If you think that will help you, if the country believes they abided rule, say we be twice a better mind, and you want will be any problem. But you see, when it comes to attacking our traditional leaders, that is when we have problem with you. Because listen, Ghanaians, yana was ano, Janfe ananu munia grow. So senior, Boko kusasi ne mampusi, etimi ma political party binya zero. Now, so you say, Northern region, the NDC for stronghold. But because of Ntokwenty, MPP Timi Konya, 98% of votes, I was Febi. It tells you how powerful our traditional leaders is. It tells you how our empire Nananom Semun Yagro. It tells you the power of when you attack Nananomwa, say the Ebesiaba also. It tells you how you are not supposed to attack, try to venture attacking Nananom. Ebia, you are joking with it. But what do we never have? Sankwa same way, Sabi. Now the NDC co-position. 10 down lands are the holy lands that are brother from the northern sector, places like, you know, the top there, the Mampusi, the Kusasis, and some the Frafras and other tribes. They believe say a holy lands. You want to even attach these lands? The water region, there are some lands they believe say for the gods, and they don't even touch them. You want to even steal these lands? What they had there? And I open a legitimate power, a self-sufficient power. As all the assassin to Ghana, so be able to use to say jai because is that what you want, Mr. President? And dear Pana will pay. Dear to a banana mount, 2 million and president, the first gentleman of the state. Dear Biona will pay. And dear Bio, about what a man happens or even if K1ngGhana, I want to be a Jumama Basses and Nam Ghana, no, a Ghana, Mayana, and I. And yes, I did. Woo ya de koye. Yaba life I enter. Timame money to na me sorry so. Na the akadi nya traditional media so ma be tam my omo amasem. Ya betina aka no kra. The article 267 section 4 article 267 be amended, another recommendation to expressly provide to provide that the Lands Commission, in exercising stool land revenue function, acts as a fiduciary on behalf of stool skins and communities. I say, and shall have authority, Mahama have authority to require periodic reporting at day. Nanam do amon saseno. There be a some bay and contact Mahama. Now go to for address ya fucking tabesi. Mahama any mu young contact the other assassin ye actual. Oh, I was say many. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm watching for Penyah. Yana. Nana hero of Mamprugu. Toga Fede. Nana Mako free the Western Eastern. Now come so don't want to Montuma Bessi Maham wenim. Now almost bad verification of how they are using their lands. I was in a reporting, auditing, and verification of the use of stool lands revenue by all beneficiaries. Now, said ye friend Okujoto Blackwamo, any Obia Opa by Mutumibia, yes, auditing the Indian committee at Nasi Baba Ebe audit, said the Musi Yusu Abai Sikano, near the Nanama Betrahono to go to Tuntuma, Nahiro of Mamprugo to Tuntuma Besiwo. Now, Busa committee this 102 Buso Tumfo said. Nensa aseno omu honkon tantreo intini so obu nkonta na enye ya na se ne nipadom mu no madinatem awo no ane nsase ho sabi sikedwa na nke de ya na abetena ho ni ebusa ya na onsase no ekosi ha no afini mu nyina ade na asase ne kwa unsu untwa na nanom ka to develop this land so. Even resources now it belong to the government currently, no. Young man and animal shrimpo. News be by and even royalties, young fanko 2%. Nyagas and animal babenya enough from their own good. Nisikalom the day. You are not giving an animal anything impo, and you want them to come for auditing some dormant sassy a day. Sebi, young coach, and one some ever catch a president, no, every answer guess you. Nagana hear it, ho. Na manfu di na hira tem se na hiri won sa ase no na ho fa anya de papa na sebi na ohene ade a wo ye nyansa wo na hiri ti ho de wanyina dri won tumi nkasa nti na ko the committee bi de na ti no mo yi anoma no auditing nananom for their own lands. What the heck? John Mahama. Now let's look at this further section of the CRC report. When you look at this point, You share the 0.3, you know, of the whole details there that screen is no. Me share just the 0.3 of the whole details there that screen is no. Na me ya mo hanom ye ma life ni 1 hour. Your body tell to near the no krana magana for. Na ye ja wo mo ho na ye ko. Obi a obehwe live stream yi achi no. Oba who most of the comment sections, you know, because those comment sections will belong to the live. New comment and we're a live stream. I am reminding you on that. Now listen to these details very carefully. I'll say a new clause is inserted to require district assemblies, traditional authorities, and any other beneficiaries of school lands revenue to submit an annual report to the Lands Commission on the receipt and utilization of such revenues. And so every year, Biano, Nanama Cassian was some year reports. Send your chiemu priorly no, the Omodio Monsasini, no, the Sasino Sikasem no, anything regarding the lands, no, the use of the usage of the land, the utilization of the lands, the revenues and everything, they're supposed to yearly report to Mahama. Through auditing or through the Lands Commission, they report it to Mahama. I'm your tune for my sass here, that's Antimampon, the MDA. DMDA. Airport City, Otumfuo Kama are buying some years ago, based in the Kumasi. And when you do be a Musika, a buying penny 4 woman on the buy and find yellow. I don't know if could be a Kutukem. They didn't build the airport city in Kumasi. They went to Tamale to do an international airport for Tamale. Look at the international airport you guys did. Shehohoi. Shesunyai airport are buying wire. Damu Asabi. Sika wunye free Sunyai, a whole airport this way. A whole airport in this way. A whole airport in this way. The richest region in Ghana, the richest region in terms of resources, is the Western region. Is the Western region. Yet the Western region, according to proper statistics, is the poorest region in Ghana. And then when you go to some parts of Eastern regions, upon all the authority the government have in Eastern region, most of the land in Eastern region, you know, can say, are encroached by the government. And then encourage dua to nsuo so. Na edua na ho trotro no mo na msuko school. Abai portable bridge in Puntimi Yenton Sasene so. What do you want to use the lands for, if not for galamsey? Kakra na wo won wa hasu awie. Nya ka se wa boso tem ama development Ghana dan it sabu chinti no. Wo hia dodo. What do you want to use the lands for? So basically, and yes, what is Mahama proposing? The bigger question before I sign out. If not for development, because if it's development, and you're one than we develop here. A quite cry to try to assess and what's yes, you're quite in every Accra Kumasi, one more who Accra Kumasi Kwaso Pai in before. Because up to now, at the Nipa Bibranusa Asantehene the moon to quine. Obey to quine our free gun and Aqua Faku to Kako. Yadianum Sim for to quine will be every region be there. They are taking over the market. And it's an accident to be see our paya for her. Statistics no. Be don't want one. And so, we go to a time in the history of the northern people, they had to write their names on their skin. So there were tribes if you are no much on skin because who body now who say we free her now we free her. So Choni Dini the bush any number to body no. Okona accident te kumnua, what fresh bush any way of free sim, well water, one more pan the woo accident. So the Accra Kumasi Highway, sorry, we're going highway, Accra Kumasi Road, Mokrama Dwala is ye. My way, since you must move fro. Akosi sing. Apart from screen recording being the details, I had day. Ye no ton China. Ghana quang in a mess yes ye. Train ye Juma Ghana. Ebinam soro. Ah? You see, we are not here to lambast any government, whether the MPP, the NDC, but we are here to say a buying as a whole. Must yes ye Ghana no every year. Sasia Kuramo than no way. And then upon a kekra was a motion in the pen ni gupum po. Ni pen ni gum, could them with that crown pusai through. And no crown mabo home boy. What you have no market we say, Muntimin shares soon year that enemies and yet for development rights in Tina more than an assassin. So the question of the day, they say, then what do you want to use the lands for? The question of the day is that then what do you want to use the lands for? Here I come to a conclusion then I tell the government, if not for Galamsey, what do you want to use the lands for? Since the government is fighting Galamsey currently, or chair saying Galamsey into audience, what do you want to use the lands for? Do you know what the government want to use the lands for? Write it in the comment section. But to me, what I think is that the government wants to dethrone Nananum in a proper way. Indirectly. Or two Nananum in Yadias. Or Hina would the assassin on your henny. Into what you mean assassin, then automatically means when you're in view. Were 2 ideas. A very wisdomized intellectual way of dethroning them without saying, say, who to a madias. Una ubetu na hero of Mampru Guardiaso. Wo Mahama, when I will babetu to graph the ideas. When I will be to teach my hanadias. Wo na ubaba babetu Western region, Eastern region, him for Cassia, when I will be to Omadias. Don't tell me it's about development because when you see Ghana, say, oh, yes, I know my we are. Pursue tuna and Anamadias. The only man and one entity they make us send on him be near Sassia on your henny. It is your John Sassia on your henny. And so for you to take the lands means what to Anamadias.
Out of what's my culture constitutional review at the assembly. They say, baby, a better from the Anmafa, Namadi Ababa Small. Page Biano, a better from Namadi Ababa Small. Now, way page 53, a constitutional review committee. One more reporter, on the other trouble, Mutie. I say constitutional review committee way. Woman, where ya? Dear Amode Babonte, a member MPP for Ateki Bonanza. Mutie niye. MPP for taking that opportunity. Adia Wene NDC hands down. John Mahama, you are the president of Ghana, His Excellency TNA. And some young make a when we are. But say, Mubacha Fufua Manatom Quem. Montemin Fau, I MPP for the free of Tadia, and your woman Ebetra. Evisa. And she say, yeah, Modeba, the review now, Modebano. And Ghana for Abazasi Abramo. Mutie. Ghana for Abramo. Mutie. Other for the man, some that way. One gasa, one ETM. Was say, chiefs must make annual accounts of their lands to the Lands Commission. Mutie. Sawa yo hene. Na udi on my Ghana Probiaso. Oton Asasia. Don't want now overturn. I was so ukobun konta. Na Odema Lands Commission. Na mutienie. Sadia wenso ya dia. I don't think so. Because of Anuama. Anasa Emra Anesi Sebia Antoyemo. Ebedru Babino. I am from Ketua. I am from Akasia. Aba sorry Ajina. Actually John Mahama said. Na demonstration na Odeban. Ababe tu o manu aduane agu ejitie ebadru ba bi no Ghana fu anyina abaka se John Mahama eheo afedi ewudu ebo tie tanu o ma we ya John Mahama ana aya constitutional review committee mo articles aya mo pages aba bonten na mo make suggestions say there should be an amendment to the man we ya Bobama MPP for Ateki sa aya adie wey e bonanza eti oda for say dia woye wo hene awo oman Ghana mu probia wudi suo no se wokwaton asase na oye wadwen se asase no wudi begu botom sabe wudi batu nkwanwa ho na wudi aye nkwanwa no waduma they say dia ya se woton woton ba ku a then you go to Lands Commission na ave wakwa akoye account at the Lands Commission. Other when someone and yet begin say, the Abu Babano, I have one summer who wrote them in the John Mahama, and yet, Minsu Kosa, Nebo, Minsu sa upon Tiautu, Nanani Teche, aha, Eti Ayawagasa, Okomatia, or establish here, Sa Opasa the year review, and Jomusa Quatina woman Samsu, and woman who Babia in Tokuro and Atuatua Eda. I was said, yeah, amendment, and I say, yeah, review. Enti emu ansam no kratafa etoso aya 53 ai ana omede ababato abonte adunumiasa enti nsam a ewo ho no eno ana maridi ade amawa eno no afa Ghana ahemfo ho se wo ye ohene wo man Ghana m na akwaton asase a e was say wokobu akonta and answer you go to lands commission and then accounts to the lands commission when someone eje ensrepia and ye ma me ba kondro yi bakabosio asansa property akoko fa bese dom oyurene and ye kotunsium na batena konko so se kire na opai buom opebre and ye watema wosi akodu atadie nie me homra ne and ye kwake kokko ho wi apem arafo me wesi apia.
We
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!